Uttanasana, forward fold or forward bend. This is a wonderful pose that helps calm the nervous system, it calms the mind, also stretches the back, the hamstrings, your glutes, as well as the shoulders. Also helps challenge with your breathing because you're in a forward fold. And it improves balance. So we're going to stand with our feet about hip width apart, grounding through all four corners of the feet, and we're just going to hinge forward at the waist. And then keeping a slight bend in the knees because we want to protect the joint as well as our back. And here you can hang down, either putting your hands on the mat or on the earth, grabbing your ankles or your shins, whatever's comfortable. If you need to, you can also use a block. This is great if you have really tight hamstrings. And just breathing here for several cycles. A great way to help calm the mind. As I said, this is great for the anatomy. The dorsiflex engages to help stabilize the foot and the ankle. Your latimus dorsi is the largest muscle in the back, which helps protect and stabilize the back and the spine, as well as contributing to shoulder stretching when we're in that forward fold. But also hip flexors are engaged, and your quadriceps extend to help to stabilize the knee, as well as the muscles in the ribs. Around the ribs, they are there to help stabilize and protect the organs, as well as to help rotate the shoulders. Now there are a few modifications. If you have trouble with Uttanasana due to back problems, back issues, you can certainly come down and do either a cat's cow. Cat cow is a great pose where you're stretching, flexing the spine, getting space between each of the vertebrae, as well as working some of the core, and you're also working some of the other muscles. Of course, in cow, you're stretching the traps as well. And then there's the child's pose and apanasana. Apanasana is on our backs, bringing our knees up into our chest and just giving ourselves a nice gentle hug here. This is great for stretching and flexing the spine. And you can also come into child's pose, either extended child's pose or normal. You can do it with your knees wide, arms out in front of you, resting your forehead on the mat, resting your tailbone down, or coming into neutral. And relaxing the forehead, the shoulders. Great way to help unwind. You can use this in the morning, during the day. There's also one if you're sitting at a desk, you can sit in a chair and do a forward fold. This is also great for stretching the spine and again calming the nervous system. So if you're at work, nice forward fold, and just letting the head and the arms fall down. Uttanasana, forward fold. I hope that's been helpful. Thank you.